Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and Daddy Pig at the supermarket. Let's start drawing it first. I'm going to draw Peppa Pig, her eyes, her nose, and a shape of her head. I draw a smiling mouth, a circle for her cheek and her 2 ears. Now I draw her body and arms. And her 2 legs. Now let's draw a shopping cart behind her. For wheels. Now let's draw what is in their cart, a bottle of beverage. Cheese. Another bottle. An apple. A banana. Spaghetti. Flour. And a pack of sugar. Wow! Now I draw Daddy Pig. I start with his body. Nose. Ears. Now I draw his eyes. He is wearing glasses. I draw a smiling mouth and a circle for his cheek. I add some lines here for his beard. I draw his arms. In one of them he is holding a money box. Now I draw the counter. And who is the cashier? She looks nice. And Hazoo, yes, she is going to be Mrs. Rabbit. Let's start coloring. Let's color Daddy Pig pink for his skin. Light purple for his cheek. His clothes are aqua blue. Now I color everything what is in their shopping cart. Yellow for the banana. Green. Blue. Orange. Red for the apple. Purple. Green. Orange. Purple. Brown. Pink. Brown. Gray. Blue. Now I'm going to color Peppa pink for her skin. And light purple for her cheek. I color her dress red. Black. Yellow. Green. Now let's continue with Mrs. Rabbit cream for skin. her cheek and nose. Yellow. Purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, red, dark pink, light blue, green, blue for the ground, and a little light blue for the background. Great job, my little artists! You are doing amazing! I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.